INTI Mediation System is a product that fits your requirements in the corresponding area, interacting between your network elements and your different systems. It actually has the interpretation of most of the competitive network elements that you could find in the market as leading telecom networks. Let us guide you in a quick tour of the system. INTI Mediation System supports a security feature to access the interface. The complete system interface supports different languages as English and Spanish. Once you log into the system, the main screen of the interface is displayed. The navigation menu is on the left side of the screen, and this menu can be minimized to get a better view of the monitoring screen. The monitoring tool lets us navigate into different levels, from a group of servers to an individual device. For each device, you can clearly see the current status of each process. That is FTP collector, parser, rules, and sharem. The status for a fast recognition and monitoring has a different color, like stopped is red, started is green, and warning is yellow. On the right side of the screen, there are three panels named Command, Status, and Directories, where you can select the corresponding panel to take an action. At the Command panel, you can run commands into the system such as start or stop some module. At the Status panel, you can see the status of the configuration of each module in detail, comparing between the OS status and the DB status. At the Directories panel, you can easily see the content of the process directory that you select. The configuration tool for the monitoring process allows you to customize the way you need to monitor each device. You can configure to monitor with automatic corrections if some action is detected. Also, you can configure to send alarms for a better control of your system process. Let's take a look at the configuration process to create devices through all the modules required. To create the device into the INTI Mediation System, you can create different modules as required. For example, if you require it, INTI Mediation System has to collect data from a network element. You can configure a collector module for the device. That is, a simple collector module or FTP collector module. The configuration interface of INTI Mediation System helps user to create all the process modules that are required, helping to complete some paths or names that are necessary. Business Rules module into the INTI Mediation System supports dynamic rules to write the process, giving user a possibility to write and modify his or her own rules to apply. At that point, INTI Mediation System has a set of function rules to select and apply as required. The logical process of the rules that are written into the configuration tool gives user the feature to create outputs as a result of the business rules application. This output can also be configured completely on your own, creating your own records and adding fields. As the dynamic rules of rules, the dynamic output also has an environment to create rules for each field, making a better experience to see all fields. User can sort out fields at grids. INTI Mediation System has a report control module that gives you the possibility to have the control of each process, a summary of all the data processed, and the tracking of each CDR. The report page can be deployed as a new tab on the container of the grid report or open into a new window for convenience. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.